Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to chapter 2, part 2 of our graphic design course. Today we will continue design our wedding invitation card and learn some simple tricks to make it look elegant and professional. So let's begin. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva and graphic design tutorials. Also, if you had the link to this editable template, simply type yes in the comments and I will share it with you. Okay, now we'll start. First, we will click on add page and a blank page will appear on the screen. Next, we will use the same background that we used on the first page to maintain a consistent design theme throughout our Muslim wedding invitation card. For this, we will simply copy the background from the first page and paste it onto the second page. Okay. After that, go to the element section and search for Bismillah. Here is the text search bar. Type Bismillah. Choose a beautiful design. Scroll down. I like this one and place it at the top of the page. Now go to the text section and add a beautiful quote or welcoming message. You can customize the font size and position according to your design to make the invitation look elegant and attractive. Okay. I will make it a little smaller so that it fits perfectly within the design and looks more neat and balanced. You can write any message or quote here according to your preference and the theme of your invitation card. I am writing here, please join us to mm, celebrate the wedding of. Now we will place it just below the Bismillah design and adjust its position to create a clean and elegant layout. Now we will go to the text section and to the text style. We will keep scrolling down until we find a style that suits our design. Scroll down, just scroll down. I like this one, so I will select it and add it to text. Write Fatima and Ali here. The line of spacing doesn't look quite right, so we adjust it to make the text look cleaner and more professional. Now, uh, next we want to make it a little more decorative. For that, we will go to the element section and search for flower border. Choose any flower design that matches your theme and place near the name to give the invitation a more elegant and interesting. I like this one, so I will choose it on set it. Now we will simply copy this design and place it on the other side to create a balanced and symmetrical look. Again, we will go to the text section and choose a text style for the event date. Here we will add the date of the function. First, we will edit it. Here I am using this date as an example, but you can enter any date according to your event. Adjust its size and color. We will match the color with our overall theme to keep the design consistent. So I think this size is good. Now we will change its color. Okay. Now it's perfect. That section is complete. We need to add the address. Once again, we will choose a suitable text style. Scroll down, scroll down. Okay, it is pretty good. Make the font size a little smaller and enter the venue address. Again, we will change the color. After that, we will position the address properly within the design like this. We will copy the flower element from the first page and paste it in the corner of the second page to give the card a finished and elegant look. Rotate it. Okay, we will set it in the corner. Okay. Now our wedding invitation card is complete and ready to be downloaded.